This is the final video to fix HydroShift II LCD C wireless receiver pairing issues in Lian Li. And if you've been struggling to get your device connected, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because the receiver sometimes loses sync with the LCD C due to signal interference or outdated firmware. You might have seen other tutorials online, but they are long, confusing, and full of technical steps that don't always work. On HydroShift, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes pairing in just a few clicks without any complicated setups. All you need is to reset the receiver, update the firmware with the official Lian Li tool, and follow a quick reconnection sequence that I'll demonstrate. This method works every time and saves hours of frustration. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below, and I'll make a complete guide to get your HydroShift II LCD C paired perfectly.